Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following 4m squared minus 4m plus 1. I am going to make use of the cross chart to solve this problem. Do take note how Mr. Tan positioned the terms. In the cross chart, this is positive 1 and this is negative 4m. So, now is to look at the 4m squared. For the 4, I can have 1 times 4, 2 times 2, and for 1 is only 1 times 1. So this is pretty straightforward already. Now, I need to consider which pair of factors, either 1 and 4, 2 and 2, that will give me 4. When I add or minus them. Yep, we should consider this. So 2m times 2m. Now, if I were to expand them out, 2n times 1 will give me 2m. 2m times 1 will also give me 2m. And when I add them up, they give me 4, but it's positive. And at this time, we should consider the negative. And if we have negative 2 plus negative 2, they do give me negative 4. Meaning, this part here must also be a negative. And indeed, negative 1 times negative 1 will give me negative 1 times negative 1 does give me back my positive 1. And everything fits nicely. And so, I have successfully gotten my answer. So the answer for this question will be 2m minus 1 times 2m minus 1. Oh? Do you notice what Mr. Tan is noticing? Yes, the factors 2m minus 1 are repeated. And when you see such cases, do write them down neatly in the index form. 2m minus 1 to the power of 2. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.